Are you having problems with localized application framework logic not locating the Commonfx Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before diving into the Commonfx library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Commonfx library, a generic Commonfx FX library, frequently associated with localized audio and video processing suites to manage unmanaged localized filters and real-time localized signal processing manifests for localized media assets. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Missing Commonfx Library DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized application framework, logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Commonfx library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Commonfx Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing Commonfx Library. Thank you for trusting us with Commonfx Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.